Ever wondered how you can make money by promoting other people's products? Welcome to the intriguing world of affiliate marketing, a digital frontier where savvy marketers can turn a profit by simply promoting the products and services of others. Affiliate marketing is a unique and potentially lucrative online business model, where the marketer, or the affiliate, partners with businesses to promote their products or services. In exchange, the affiliate earns a commission for each sale or action completed through their referral. Think of it as being the middleman between a business and its potential customers, but with a twist. You're not just a salesperson, you're a strategic partner who helps businesses reach their target audience more effectively. This business model is beneficial for both the affiliate and the business. For businesses, it's a cost-effective way to generate sales and increase brand visibility. They only pay when a sale or action is completed, reducing the risk of wasting funds on ineffective marketing campaigns. For affiliates, it's a chance to make money without creating their own products or services. They can choose from an array of products and services to promote, giving them the flexibility to align their affiliate marketing efforts with their interests and expertise. But how exactly does it work? It's quite straightforward. The affiliate promotes the business's products or services through a unique affiliate link. When a customer clicks on this link and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission from that sale. This process is tracked through affiliate networks, which manage the relationships between businesses and affiliates, ensuring that affiliates are rewarded for their promotional efforts. Affiliate marketing is more than just a simple transaction. It's a dynamic and evolving field that offers endless possibilities for those willing to learn and adapt. It's an opportunity to build a sustainable online business, to create passive income, and to become a vital part of the ever-growing digital economy. Sounds interesting? Let's plunge deeper into the mechanics of affiliate marketing. So, how do you actually start with affiliate marketing? Well, the first step is finding your niche. This is the specific area or topic that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. It's crucial to choose a niche that you're genuinely interested in because it will make the process more enjoyable and engaging. Also, your passion will shine through, and your audience will be more likely to trust your recommendations. Once you've found your niche, the next step is to find an affiliate marketing program that aligns with your chosen area. There are countless programs out there, from Amazon Associates to ClickBank and many more. Each program has its own set of rules and commission rates, so it's essential to thoroughly research each one before making your choice. After selecting your affiliate marketing program, you'll need to sign up and get your unique affiliate links. These links will track any sales made through your referrals, ensuring you get your deserved commission. Now, you might be wondering, where do I share these links? And that brings us to the next step, setting up your online platform. This could be a website, a blog, or a social media account. It's up to you. But remember, this platform should be a place where you can regularly engage with your audience and share valuable content related to your niche. Once you've set up your platform, start producing high-quality, valuable content that incorporates your affiliate links. This can be in the form of blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media posts. The key here is to provide value to your audience while subtly promoting your affiliate products. And finally, it's all about patience and consistency. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and a lot of trial and error. But with persistence, you can turn your passion into a profitable online business. Now that you know the steps, you might wonder about the actual process behind these steps. Ready to learn about the process that leads to earning commissions? Let's dive right in. The affiliate marketing process is a dance of 3 steps: promote, track, and earn. It's like a well-oiled machine, where each part plays a crucial role in the overall function. Let's start with the first step: promotion. As an affiliate marketer, your job is to promote products or services. You're like a bridge, connecting customers with the products they need. This promotion can take on many forms, from writing blog posts and creating videos to posting on social media or sending out emails. The key here is to provide valuable content that aligns with the product and engages your audience. Next, we have the tracking part. This is where the magic happens behind the scenes. When you sign up as an affiliate, you'll be given a unique affiliate link. This link is used to track where sales are coming from. Each time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, that sale is recorded and you're credited for it. This tracking is done automatically by affiliate programs, so you don't have to worry about keeping track yourself. Lastly, we come to the earning aspect. Once a sale is made through your link, you earn a commission. This commission is a percentage of the sale price, Some programs offer a flat rate per sale, while others may offer a percentage. The commission rate varies from program to program, so it's important to understand the terms before you start promoting. To sum it up, the process begins with you promoting a product. When someone buys that product through your unique link, the sale is tracked, and you earn a commission. It's a cycle that repeats, leading to potential passive income. Now, you know the process. But wait, how do you choose the right product to promote? A scene script. Choosing the right product is crucial in affiliate marketing. But why? Well, imagine this. You've set up your website, written tons of quality content, and are ready to start promoting products. But you chose products that aren't in demand, or are in a highly competitive niche, or those that offer meager commission rates. Weeks pass, then months, and you're left wondering why your affiliate marketing efforts aren't bearing fruit. This is why selecting the right products to promote is so vital. It's not just about picking products you like or are interested in, although that could help in creating engaging content. It's about understanding the market demand, the competition, and the potential profit. Market demand is the first factor to consider. You want to promote products that people want or need. If there's no demand, it doesn't matter how fantastic the product is, it won't sell. So how do you gauge market demand? Simple. Look for trends, read reviews, use keyword research tools, or even conduct surveys. These methods will give you a clear picture of what people are looking for. The second factor is competition. While it's good to choose a product with high demand, you also need to consider how many other affiliates are promoting the same product. If the competition is too high, it might be hard to make your mark. But don't be discouraged. Instead, look for a balance. A product with decent demand and reasonable competition can be a goldmine. Finally, consider the commission rates. After all, the goal of affiliate marketing is to make money, right? Some products may offer a small commission percentage, but have a high selling price, while others might offer a high commission percentage on a lower priced product. It's important to do the math to see which product will give you the best return on your efforts. With the right products, you're halfway to success. But how do you attract potential customers? That's a question for our next scene, so stay tuned. Attracting potential customers is the final step to earning commissions. How do you do it? Well, there are several strategies you can employ. Firstly, there's content marketing. This approach involves creating and sharing valuable content with the aim of attracting, engaging, and retaining an audience. By providing your audience with content that is useful and relevant to them, you'll build trust and credibility. You can then subtly incorporate affiliate links into your content. For instance, if you're running a fitness blog, you might write a post about the top 10 fitness gadgets of the year and include your affiliate links for each product. Next up is search engine optimization, or SEO. This is all about improving the visibility of your website or blog on search engines like Google. The higher your site ranks in search engine results, the more likely people are to click on it. SEO involves using keywords, words or phrases that people might type into a search engine when looking for the types of products you're promoting. By strategically incorporating these keywords into your content, you can attract more potential customers to your site. Then there's social media marketing. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are powerful tools for promoting products and driving traffic to your site. You can use these platforms to share your content, interact with your audience, and even run ad campaigns. Remember, the key here is to be authentic and engaging. People are more likely to click on your affiliate links if they like and trust you. Finally, email marketing. This involves collecting email addresses from your site visitors and sending them regular updates and promotions. It's a great way to keep your audience engaged and remind them of the products you're promoting. With these strategies, you're all set to start your affiliate marketing journey. By creating valuable content, optimizing your site for search engines, utilizing social media, and staying in touch with your audience via email, you'll be well on your way to attracting potential customers and making sales. And remember, the more sales you make, the more commissions you earn. With these strategies, you're all set to start your affiliate marketing journey. Hey there, Affiliate Marketing Hub fam. If you're enjoying the content so far, don't forget to show some love. Give us a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button. And hey, to learn more, or get access to a free training and courses on affiliate marketing, check out the link in the description. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Thanks for being awesome, and I'll catch you in the next video.